Worries about bird influenza, formerly known as avian flu A, H5, keep on mounting, especially in California. As of October 14, the state has had 6 affirmed and 5 potential human instances of bird influenza, as indicated by the California Branch of General Well-Being, CDPH. Each of the impacted people purportedly had direct contact with contaminated steers at 9 dairy cultivates, the division expressed. First instance of human bird influenza analyzed without openness to tainted creatures, CDC says. The U.S. Places for Infectious Prevention and Avoidance, CDC, is leading tests to affirm the 5 potential cases. Every one of the people experienced gentle side effects, including eye redness or release, conjunctivitis, the CDPH expressed. None were hospitalized.